Once again, welcome to my channel Competitive Maths by Balaji. Today we are going to look part 10 of rational numbers. Is about decimal representation of rational numbers. Okay. Yes. To convert a rational number into decimal by division method. In that it is second example. Convert the following rational numbers in the decimal form. First one is 5 by 3. We know that 5 is divided by 3. Yes. 3 ones are 3. Remainder is 2. Now the new dividend is less than the divisor. So put a decimal point in dividend part as well as at the end of the quotient part. And write as many zeros as you wish in the dividend part. As many zeros as you wish in the dividend part. Drop this 0. Yes. 3, 6 or 18. Remainder is 2. Again drop this 0. We get 20 as new dividend. Again 3, 6 or 18. And remainder is 2. Again drop this 0. We get the new remainder as 20 again. 3, 6 or 18. Remainder is 2. So in this division, we observe that every time the same remainder 2 is repeated itself and the digit 6 is repeated in the quotient after decimal place. Decimal form of 5 by 3 equal to 1.666 and so on. That means the division never ends. So that it can be written as 1.6 bar. 1.6 bar. The bar on the digit 6 is denoted. The digit 6 is recurring digit. The digit 6 is recurring digit. Okay. So the decimal form of 5 by 3 is 1.6 bar. Now 1 by 7. Divide 1 with 7. Divide 1 with 7. But 1 is less than the divisor. Put a decimal point in dividend part as well as end of the quotient part. So sort of integral part is filled with 0. Right. And write as many zeros as you wish in the dividend part. As many zeros as you wish in the dividend part. Consider now it is read as 10. It is read as 10. Yes, 7 ones are 7. Remainder is 3. 10 minus 7 is 3. Again drop this 0. 30. 7 fours are 28. Remainder is 2. Again drop this 0. We get a new dividend as 20. 7 twos are 14. Remainder is 6. Again drop this 0. The new dividend becomes 60. 7 eights are 56. Remainder is 4. Drop this 0. New dividend is 40. 7 fives are 35. Remainder is 5. Drop this 0. 7 sevens are 49. Now the remainder is again 1. Drop again another 0. The new dividend is becomes 10. 7 ones are 7. Remainder 3. Drop another 0. Again 7 fours are 28. Remainder is 2. Drop another 0. 7 twos are 14. Remainder is 6. Drop another 0. 60. 7 eights are 56. Remainder is 4. Drop another 0. 7 fives are 35. Remainder is 5. Drop another 0. 7 sevens are 49. Again the new remainder is 1. If you drop 0, again we get 10. Okay. Yes. That means every time a group of digits 1, 3, 2, 6, 4, 5 as remainder. 1, 3, 2, 6, 4, 5 as remainder in the division. And the group of digits 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7 repeated in quotient after decimal point. So 1 by 7 can be written as 0.142857, 142857 and as well as the group of digits are recurring here. This can be written as 0.142857 bar. The bar on the group of digits indicates that this group of digits are recurring every time. Okay, so 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857 bar. Next 1 by 3. 1 by 3. We know that 1 is divided by 3. But 1 is less than the 3. Put a decimal point here and a 0 point in the quotient part. Write as many zeros as you wish in dividend part. Now consider this as 10. 3 threes are 9. 10 minus 9, 1, drop this 0, again 3 3s are 9, again we get remainder 1, drop this 0, 10, 3 3s are 9, remainder 1, and this process will continuous. So that 1 by 3 equal what? 0.333 dash dash, it can be written as 0.3 bar. So 1 by 3 equal 0.3 bar. Next, 11 by 9. 11 is divided by 9. 11 is divided by 9. 9 ones are 9, remainder 2. But 2 is less than the 9. Put a decimal point in dividend part as well as end of the quotient part. Write as many zeros as you wish in dividend part. Now drop this 0, we get new dividend as 20. 9 2s are 18. Again remainder 2. Drop this 0, again new dividend is 20. 9 2s are 18. Again new remainder is 2. Drop 0, we get new dividend 20. 9 2s are 18. Again remainder is 2. So this process will continue. Therefore, 11 by 9 can be written as 1.222 dash dash. This can be written as 1.2 bar. As the digit after decimal point is repeated, the repeated decimal is denoted by bar. Okay. Yes. Next, 17 by 6. That is 17 is divided by 6. 6 2s are 12. 5 is remainder. Put a decimal point in dividend part as well as end of the quotient part. Write as many zeros as you wish in dividend part. Drop this 0, we get 50. 6 8s are 48. Remainder 2, drop another 0. 6 3s are 18. Remainder 2, drop another 0. Again 6 3s are 18. Remainder 2, drop another 0. Again 6 3s are 18. Remainder 2. This process will continue. That is, the digit 3 is comes after the 8 in the decimal part of the question. So 17 by 6 can be written as 2.8333 dash dash. This can be concluded as 2.83 bar, as 3 is recurring in the decimal part after 8 in the quotient. Okay, here 2.83 bar is also non-terminating recurring decimals. Okay, note, we will make a note here. The decimal form of above examples are not terminating, but a digit or a group of digits are recurring after the decimal place. Such decimals are known as non-terminating recurring decimals. Okay, so that 1.6666 dash 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 or 1.6 bar, 1.2 bar, 0.142857 bar, 2.83 bar, 0.3 bar, all are examples of non-terminating recurring decimals. Now let us observe the denominators of these rational numbers. First, what is the denominator? Denominator of 5 by 3 is 3. It cannot be written in the form of 2 power n or 5 power m or 2 power n into 5 power n. That means the prime factorization of denominator 3 occurs 3 only, but not 2, 5 to n5. Okay. Similarly, the denominator of 1 by 7 is 7. 7 is not of the form 2 power n into or 5 power m or 2 power n into 5 power n. Is not of the form 2 power. 7 cannot be written in form power of 2, power of 5 or power of 2 into power of 5. So the denominators are not of the form. Here the denominator 3 it cannot be written in 2 power n into 5 power m form. Here the denominator is 9. 9 can be written as 3 square. That is not equal to 2 power n into 5 power m form. That cannot, 3 square cannot be expressed in terms of powers of 2 and powers of 5. And 6. 6 is written as 2 into 3. 2 power something into 3 power something, but not 2 power n into 5 power m form. Yes. That is, if the denominator of a rational number is not of the form 2 power n into 5 power m, then the decimal form of the rational number is non-terminating recurring decimal. Okay. And if the denominator of a rational number is not of the form 2 power n into 5 power m, then the decimal form of rational numbers is non-terminating recurring decimal. Yes, here 3 is not of the form 2 power n to 5 power m. So the decimal form of 5 by 3 is non-terminating recurring decimal. In the same manner, 7 is not of the form 2 power n into 5 power m. Then the decimal form of 1 by 7 is non-terminating recurring decimal. So 1 by 3 also non-terminating recurring decimal. 11 by 9 is also non-terminating recurring decimal. 17 by 6 decimal form is also non-terminating recurring decimal. Okay. Next, one more important concept of non-terminating recurring decimal, that is period and periodicity. Okay. Period, periodicity are exist for only non-terminating recurring decimals only. Let us see what is period. Period is that the set of digits which repeats in non-terminating recurring decimal is called period. The set of digits which repeats in non-terminating recurring decimal is called period. Yes, examples. 0.333 dash 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 is a non-terminating recurring decimal. This can be written as 0.3 bar. Okay. Yes, as the digit 3 is recurring in the decimal part. So the period of this period of 0.3 bar is the set of digits which repeats, the set of digits under the bar, that is 3 is the period. Similarly, next 0.12757575. After the decimal place, 2 decimal places are not repeated, but next digits are repeated. So it can be written as 0.1275 bar. 0.1275 bar. So the period is 75. The digits under the bar or the period, or the set of digits which repeats in non-terminating recurring decimal, that is the period of the given non-terminating recurring decimal. So period is 75. And third, this can be written as 123.121 121 121 dash dash dash. After the decimal place, 3 digits 1 2 1 are recurring. So it can be written as 123.121 bar. So the period is 121. And these are the homework for you people. Try by yourself. Okay. Write the non-terminating recurring decimal into short form and then write the period. Okay. Next go to periodicity. The number of digits in a period of non-terminating recurring decimal is called periodicity. The number of digits in a period of non-terminating recurring decimal is called periodicity. Yes, 0.333 dash dash is a non-terminating recurring decimal. It can be written as 0.3 bar. Here 0.1275 bar. Bar takes place on 2 digit 75. Here it is 123.121 bar. Yes, the number of digits in a period. Period is 3. Period is 3. Number of digits are only 1. So periodicity is 1. Here period is 75. The number of digits in a period is 2 digits 75. So periodicity of 0.1275 bar is 2. Here period is 1 to 1. Period is 1 to 1. Number of digits in the period are 3. So periodicity of 123.121 bar is 3. Okay. Similarly, these are homework for you people. Try by yourself.